Quantity production of H-beam is the most advanced H-beam equipment domestically. JH150 H-beam welding line consists of the assembling machine, main welder, turnover device and conveyor, etc. Assembling machine is the first stage before entering main welder. Before entering main welder, the web plate and flange plate is to be assembled. By stop welding the two heads of workpiece, H-beam assembling can be completed to go on the next stage. Main welding machine is the main equipment for this production line. After the assembled three plates are fed to the main welder through conveyor, the welding process is started, and through positioning, clamping and adjustment until the whole process is completed. Turnover device is the existing equipment of H-beam welding. One side welded H-beam will be transported to turnover device through conveyor and to turn over by 180 degrees, and to go on through conveyor to the main welder for welding the other side. Compared with traditional welding line, JH150 H-beam welding line has the following 7 advantages. 1. No need to spot weld the full length of H-beam in assembling. It only needs to do 30 to 50 millimeters of spot welding before enter the next stage welding. 2. No need to do grinding before assembling. 3. To do welding on both sides in a moving style, which minimizes the deformation of welding. 4. Welding speed can reach 2 meters per minute, 3 to 4 times that of the other type welding machine. 5. It only needs turning over once to complete the 2 sides welding. 6. High automation in production which requires less operating people. 7. It's able to produce sectional inclined H-beam. JH150 H-beam welding line can apply to different coil thickness. Web width 300 to 1,500 millimeters. Web plate thickness 3 to 12 millimeters. Flange width 150 to 500 millimeters. Web plate thickness 5 to 16 millimeters. Its production length can reach 2 to 15 meters. JH150 H-beam welding line is very well received and widely applied by most steel structural enterprises for its high efficiency, big production scope, easy operation and small space.